God, it's hot in there.
Welcome to Sandy Point. Looking for vodka. We're running low.
Tostitos?
No.
Chips?
No.
So I put them there.
Jellies?
No.
Jams?
So I need a Sprite.
Fly swimmer?
Oh, you want to make me a cake?
Which one do you want?
These are all way too big. How about a fudge brownie?
Okay. I think this is the liquor store.
O&F.
10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Perfect.
We're having pizza.
What kind of pizza?
It is a ham, spinach, and olive pizza. Pineapple juice. It's delicious. I think the pizza's ready. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Dinner is served.
Okay, it is Kristys' birthday today. We are going to bake brownies. Alright, first we preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We're going to stir the brownie mix, water, eggs with a spoon about 50 times. The batter may be lumpy. Spread it in a pan. Now this is Bisquick brownie mix. I normally use Betty Crocker, but whatever. Same thing. Okay, we're going to put an egg in here. You have to take the egg out of the shell. I've learned that before. Oh my goodness. I think I just dropped some shell in there. Crap. I got it. Oh, I got it. Now it says put some water. I threw my instructions away. Crap. I'm just not used to this brand. Water, eggs, 2 tablespoons of water. That doesn't seem like very much. 1, 2. Perfect. A little bit of oil, but all I have is olive oil, so we're going to do. We're going to do a little bit. Now you got to stir it up. It's kind of like. seems like it needs more fluids. We're going to add a little more water to make up for the lack of oil. Perfect. It says to stir it 50 times. I don't know how it knows that 50 times is good. But we'll stir it till most of the lumps are gone. I know, this is not very exciting, but you gotta stir it. Nothing worse than lumpy brownies. Well, there's a lot of things worse than lumpy brownies, but we don't want lumpy brownies. Okay, so I don't know how thick it's supposed to look, but I know it's supposed to be able to dump into the pan. So this will definitely dump into a pan. Let's pause right here for a second. Make sure the oven is out. The oven is out. Hold on, we gotta redo the oven. Why would the oven have been out?
I don't know, turn it way up. Now look at it.
A little blue flame still going. We're going to keep stirring our stuff because the oven isn't preheating correctly. This is looking good. I think I need a little more flour. I don't think we need any more flour. We don't have any. These may be a little bit heavy. It'll be more like a fudge chocolate brownie. I think I overdid it on the water. It said 2 tablespoons. I did like half a cup. Okay, let's look at the oven again. Oh yeah, we're heating up now. Okay, so we'll go back to 350-ish. 350-ish. I don't know how long it needs to heat up, but it couldn't be very long. It's a tiny little oven. It's like an easy bake oven. It has a light bulb in the top to heat it up. Alright, it's all stirred up. See that? Look at that. Mmm. We're going to use a little bit of oil, just a touch. And I'm going to spread this around in the pan a little bit, just to help not stick. Okay. Now I'm all lubricated. Now we'll dump the brownie mix into the pan. Seems a little runny, but I think it's supposed to be that way. See how hot the oven is. Okay, we're going to say it's heated up enough. It doesn't feel like 350 in there. Okay, now the instructions say to bake 26 to 28 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out almost clean. Why would you put a dirty toothpick in the first place? I don't know. I guess we will just wait for a period of time. So we will set an alarm. There's an app for that. An alarm app. Clock. Okay, so it's 4:54 now. 28 minutes would be 5:15-ish. Oh, we gotta get the AM PM right. That would be bad. Perfect. We're set. Okay, we're gonna check the cake to make sure the toothpick pulls out. Oh, look at that. It looks yummy. Still has some... Ow. God, it's hot in there. It still has a little bit of goo coming on my toothpick. So we're going to let it cook a little bit longer. Okay, the cake has been in the oven long enough. Let's pull it out and see what we got. Oh my God, I just lost an eyebrow. Oh yeah, look at that. We have a cake. We're going to have a happy birthday Kristys night. They're moist and not too chewy. Very fudgy.
Thank you for watching as we enjoy our evening at Sandy Point. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy our videos.